Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today we are covering the ESPN Bet app, what it is and how to use it. Let's get started. The ESPN Bet app is a legal online sportsbook launched by ESPN in partnership with PENN Entertainment. It lets you place bets on popular sports like the NFL, NBA, MLB, NHL, college football, soccer, tennis and more. It is available only in states where online sports betting is legal such as New Jersey, Michigan, Arizona, Ohio, and several others. The app uses your phone's location services to confirm you're physically in one of those states before you can place a bet. Now, to use it, first go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. To search ESPN Bet Sportsbook on your search bar, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, then install your app. Once installed, open up your app and sign up to create an account. Enter your personal info like name, email, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your SSN for identity verification. This is required by law. Make sure location services are turned on so the app can verify your state before you place bet. Now, once this account is set up, tap the wallet icon and choose deposit. So go to your account. At the top right here, there's the profile icon. Tap on that. Then you'll see the deposit option right there. You'll see payment methods such as online banking, debit or credit card, PayPal or Pay Plus, prepaid card. Select your method, enter the amount, confirm the fund, confirm, and the funds should appear instantly in most cases. On the home screen, browse through featured games and live events. You can scroll down to find many more. Then use the menu to select a sport like football, basketball, or soccer. At the top of these, you can see the options. Then tap on the game you want, like this. Then select a bet type, money line, point spread, over, under, or props. Your pick will appear in the bet slip at the bottom of the screen. Enter how much you want to wager. Then tap place bet, and the app will instantly confirm your bet. Now, if you want to win and want to cash out, go back to your wallet, tap withdraw, select your method like PayPal, bank transfer, enter the amount and submit. Withdrawal times vary depending on the method, usually within a few business days. The ESPN Bet also has responsible gaming settings. You can set deposit limits, wager caps, and time reminders to help you stay in control. Betting should be always. That's how you can use the ESPN Bet app step by step. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit like, subscribe, and share it with your friend. And remember, only bet where it's legal. Thank you for watching. Bye.